Sweetheart, how was your day at school?
It was fine, Dad. We learned some new things.
Did you enjoy your favorite subject?
Yes, I really liked the science lesson.
That's great. What did you do today?
We did an experiment.
Are there any upcoming tests?
Yes, we have a math quiz next week.
Have you been studying?
I've started practicing.
That's good. Do you need any help?
Maybe with some difficult problems.
How about your friends?
They are good. We played together.
Are you planning to do anything after school?
I want to play outside.
Remember to finish your homework first.
I know. I'll do it before.
Is there anything you're excited about?
We have a field trip next month.
That sounds fun. Where are you going?
To the museum.
Are you helping at home?
Yes, I help with small things.
That's good of you. What did you do?
I helped clean my room.
Are you participating in any extracurricular activities?
Yes, I joined the art club.
That's great. When do you have that?
On Tuesdays and Thursdays.
How are your grades in all subjects?
I'm doing okay in most of them.
Is there any subject you're finding challenging?
Math is a bit tough sometimes.
We can practice together if you like.
That would be helpful, thank you.
Are you getting enough sleep?
I try to go to bed on time.
Remember, rest is important.
I know.
Have you thought about what you want to be when you grow up?
Not yet, but I'm thinking about it.
Are you enjoying your hobbies?
Yes, I like my activities.
What do you do in your free time?
I read or play games.
That's good. Are you planning to learn something new?
Maybe a new instrument?
We can look into that. What do you prefer?
I'm not sure yet.
How about your friends' hobbies?
They do different things.
Are you getting along well with them?
Yes, they're good friends.
Remember to be kind.
I always am.
How is your school environment?
It's nice. The teachers are good.
Are you comfortable there?
Yes, I like my school.
How about your daily routine?
I try to follow a routine.
Are you getting enough physical activity?
Yes, I play outside.
What do you like to do?
I play soccer with my friends.
Are you eating healthy meals?
I try to eat vegetables.
That's important for your growth.
I know.
Are you getting enough family time?
Yes, we do things together.
What do you like to do?
We watch movies or play games.
Is there anything you want to talk about?
Not really. I think everything's okay.
How are your teachers?
They are nice and helpful.
Is there a favorite teacher you have?
I like my art teacher.
That's nice. What do you like to draw?
I like to draw animals.
Are you planning to do anything special for the holidays?
I'm excited to spend time with family.
Do you remember them?
Sometimes they are funny.
Do you ever talk about them?
Sometimes with my friends.
Is there anything you're looking forward to?
The school break.
Have you decided which mountain range you'll be visiting?
I'm considering the Rockies or maybe the Swiss Alps. Still deciding.
What kind of activities are you hoping to do while you're there?
I'm hoping to do some hiking, enjoy the scenery, and perhaps visit some small towns.
How long are you planning to stay?
Around a week, more or less.
Are you traveling solo or with companions?
I'll be traveling with some friends.
Have you started planning your itinerary yet?
Yes, we're doing some research now.
Are there any particular sites or experiences you're most excited about?
We're really looking forward to the mountain views and trying some local cuisine.
How do you plan to get around once you reach the mountains?
We'll probably use public transportation or perhaps rent a car for more flexibility.
Is there any particular type of accommodation you're looking for?
We're considering staying in a cozy cabin or a small hotel.
Are you planning to do any shopping during your trip?
Yes, I'd like to browse some local markets.
Is there any particular time of year you recommend for this trip?
I think autumn is best for the views and weather.
Are you planning to do any specific train routes?
Yes, I'm looking into some panoramic routes.
Is there anything particular you're concerned about regarding the trip?
Just making sure we have all the bookings in order.
Will you be needing any special equipment for your trip?
We'll need some good hiking boots and warm clothes.
Are you planning to book your train tickets in advance?
Yes, it's usually better to book early.
Is there anything particular you're concerned about with the train travel?
Just making sure the schedule works for us.
Are you planning to visit any specific towns or villages?
We have a few in mind, but we're open to suggestions.
Is there anything particular you're looking for in a travel package?
We're looking for a good balance of activities and free time.
Are you planning to do any sightseeing in the cities you pass through?
We might do a short stopover.
Is there any particular type of local food you want to try?
I'm hoping to try some traditional mountain dishes.
Are you planning to take a lot of photos?
Definitely, the scenery will be beautiful.
Is there anything particular you need to pack for the climate?
I'll need warm clothes as it can get cold in the mountains.
Are you planning to do any souvenir shopping?
Yes, I'd like to bring back some mementos.
Is there any particular time of day you prefer for train travel?
I prefer morning trains for the views.
Are you planning to do any special dining experiences?
We might try a nice restaurant in the mountains.
Is there any particular thing you're looking for in a travel guide?
Something comprehensive with details on attractions.
Are you planning to do any strenuous hikes?
No, moderate hikes at most.
Is there anything particular you're excited about regarding the mountain views?
The panoramic vistas are what I'm most excited about.
Are you planning to take a lot of photos of the scenery?
Yes, I'll be taking plenty.
Is there anything particular you want to remember from the trip?
The overall experience and the memories.
Are you planning to do any specific activities in the evenings?
We might explore the local nightlife or just relax.
Have you considered getting travel insurance for this trip?
Yes, we'll definitely get a good plan to cover any unexpected medical or travel issues.
Are you taking any precautions for altitude sickness?
We plan to stay hydrated and spend the first day or two at lower elevations to acclimate.
Will you be carrying a basic first aid kit or specific medications?
Definitely. We'll pack painkillers, bandages, and any personal prescriptions we might need.
Do you plan on taking any cable car or gondola rides to the summits?
Yes, that's a must. It's the best way to get those high altitude views without a grueling climb.
Have you set a specific budget for the entire trip?
We have a rough estimate, but we're leaving some extra room for spontaneous meals and souvenirs.
Are you trying to learn any of the local language before you go?
I'm learning a few basic phrases and greetings to make interacting with locals a bit smoother.
Do you plan to visit any historical sites or castles in the region?
If we go to the Alps, we definitely want to check out some of the old medieval castles nearby.
Are there any group activities you all want to do together?
We're thinking about a group bonfire night or perhaps a guided stargazing tour.
Will you be posting updates on social media during the trip?
I'll probably share a few highlights, but I mostly want to stay present and enjoy the nature.
Are you interested in seeing any local wildlife?
I'd love to see some mountain goats or eagles, provided we can keep a safe distance.
Are you bringing any special camera gear or perhaps a drone?
I'm bringing my DSLR, but I'll have to check the local regulations before flying a drone.
Do you have a plan B in case the weather turns bad?
If it rains, we'll pivot to visiting local museums, indoor spas, or cozying up in a cafe.
Are you looking for any local festivals or fairs during your visit?
If there's a local harvest festival in autumn, we'd love to experience that culture.
Do you have plans for stargazing at night?
Absolutely. The sky is so much clearer in the mountains away from city lights.
Are you interested in any adventure sports like paragliding?
If we're feeling brave and the weather is perfect, we might give it a try.
What is the first thing you'll do once you get back home?
Probably sort through all the photos and maybe make a small video or photo album.